guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. If you noticed, I don't have any makeup on my face right now because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really easy facial that you can do with one ingredient to remove dark spots, like all this darkness that I have around my eyes. I get these really fast because I don't get enough sleep. So as soon as I get rid of them, they can come back for me. So this is something that I like to do to get rid of them. Oh, before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and please click the little bell because I really don't think that you guys are getting all of my videos. I'm uploading so much, but I don't think that it's coming into your subscription feed. So click the little bell, that way you're always notified and you don't miss out another video because these videos are so easy. They're just the easiest recipes and DIYs, hair masks, haircuts, like you're missing all of this stuff. And I just would really appreciate if you click the little bell, that way you guys are just part of the community all the time. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So basically what you need is just a tomato and a knife because we're going to be cutting through this tomato. And you can use both sides of the tomato. Depending on how much tomato juice you want to use on your face, you can just use one side of it or you can use both. What I like to do is even cut this in half and just use half of that so that I can use this tomato 4 times. Okay, so basically what you want to do is just start to rub the tomato onto your skin. Directly onto your skin is fine. What I like to do is just go in circular motions all over my face, especially where the dark spots are and the pores are. So I like to go on my cheeks, around my nose, and on my forehead, like around my T-zone. Now, the reason that tomatoes are so good to use on your skin is because it makes your pores extremely tight. And it controls oily skin. It helps reduce acne marks and acne scars. You can start to see the appearance of the scars and dark spots and dark marks on your face reduce within 3 days. In my experience, I did see it reduce in 3 days, and that's why I love to use this because you start to see the results pretty quickly depending on your skin type. You can use this daily if you don't have dry skin. If you have sensitive skin and dry skin, I wouldn't recommend using this all the time. If you have oily skin, this is amazing to use every single day. It's a natural lightening agent. So it gets rid of tans naturally. It helps to lighten your skin naturally. Therefore, it lightens all of the darkness and the dark pigmentation, the scars. It's a natural lightening agent. Also, sunburns, it's really good for sunburns. It cools the skin, it refreshes the skin. It also makes your skin glow when you wash it off. It gets rid of blackheads all naturally. So this is what I do. I like to just rub it on all over, everywhere, and it feels so good. Like I do this a lot on my face, and it's one of the things that has helped my skin so much. And then I leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can leave it on for 30 minutes. You can even leave it on overnight if you wanted to. But for me, 5 to 10 minutes or even 30 minutes does the job. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash this off and then come back. Okay, so I'm back and I just washed my face. I haven't put any moisturizer or anything on it. And already my face feels different. Like the texture already feels different, and I see that my face looks a lot brighter than before. And the more that I do it, the more I notice that the dark spots start fading. Like I said, in 3 days you'll find that your dark spots do start to lessen up. At least in my skin, I always see a difference with this tomato facial. And also I see that my face does look pretty exfoliated because it looks like a new layer of skin, and I do see like a glow, a really pretty glow that I like. And my face does feel a little bit dry, but the tomato facial, that's what it does. It kind of like makes your skin less oily, and I do have oily skin right now in the summertime. So this facial is perfect for that. So these are the results of the tomato facial. You only need one ingredient. It's super easy, and my skin feels so much different, so much fresh and brighter and cleaner. It's amazing how just the tomato alone can make your skin feel cleaner. I feel like it just sucked out all the dirt from my pores, and I can feel it like with my fingers, and I can feel it on my face. Also, my face feels super tight. Like when I move my face like this, it feels tight, and I love that because something natural can make your face feel tight. To me, that's like just a bonus. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click the little bell. Also, check out my channel, like browse through my videos. I'm sure that there's some video that you will find helpful because I have so many different DIYs, face masks, hair care, masks, how to cut your hair, how I color my hair, and all that good stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.